Hey there traders, Raul from AlphaShark. Today is Tuesday, June 28th, 2016, and I'd like to talk to you about a trade setup we got in the S&P 500 futures using the profile index indicator. Now, this indicator is very unique. It uses market profile information in order to plot short signals, long signals, value area, point of control. Pretty much tells us when to trade, when not to trade. It also has a very unique feature, and that's that it plots a profile for us to the left of our charts. Now that profile is important because it can give us a very good tell as to what the market is trying to do. And there's three distinct shapes that we look for. We look for P shapes, we look for B shapes, and we look for D shapes. Now why are these important? It pretty much tells us what the market is trying to do. So P-shaped distributions, I'd rather be more long than short because the market is trending higher. B-shaped distributions, I'd rather be more short than long because the market is trending lower. And D-shaped distributions, we could trade both sides of the trade because we're pretty much consolidating in a very tight range, um, pretty much a trading day range. We could sell the high and buy the low pretty much. Um, so looking at the profile today, we definitely have a P-shaped distribution, which means I'd rather be more long than short. And now that I have that bias, when we have these trending up markets, what we like to do is buy the dip, right? So buy any single pullback that we can get our hands on. That's the key to using a P-shaped distribution. Buy the pullback. Now, I myself use a unique way of buying these pullbacks. I don't like to just buy any pullback. I like to buy pullbacks into VWAP. Now, VWAP is a volume weighted average price indicator, and it's pretty much a sort of like a moving average, but more weighted, much more, what's the word? Much more accurate in a sense as to a moving average that really gets bought, especially on a trending day like we're having today in the S&P. So we want to buy every pullback, especially at VWAP. And here we got a pullback. Hits VWAP, we want to get long. We could have taken at least 4 or 5 points on that trade. Here, once again, this one may have been a little quicker, maybe 2 or 3 points on that trade. And this is how I use the profile index indicator today to trade the S&P 500 futures. Thanks for watching and happy trading.